Hi everyone. So we have started a new chapter called Enterprise DevOps for AI application. So as we can see, we already covered the lecture 1 where we have discussed like what all the components which are comes under like while building from code to till deployment. We have gone through each and every tech stack. Next chapter which we are gonna see is like how to set up a free tier account. Why we are discussing this AWS? So the main reason we are discussing about AWS is we can't bring the physical hardware and show you like how we basically put CPUs and how we are basically connect RAM or storage, or you can think of any databases or networking stuffs. In order to make it very easy, I want to show it in very virtual manner with the help of any kind of cloud providers. Either it might be AWS or Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud Provider or Salesforce, anything. So but I took AWS in order to show you because it's very easy, so that you also can create a instance, nothing but server. Okay, we basically creates the instance servers there. Servers is nothing but we can say as VM, virtual machine. On top of it we can install any kind of OS operating system. Either it might be Windows, any kind of Linux distribution, like CentOS, Ubuntu, okay, Kali Linux, okay. So any kind of distribution you can add on. Once after we installed Linux distribution, we need to configure hardware. We need to do hardware configuration. After doing that, we can on top of it we can live any kind of application, okay. So how to do that and how the network has been connected one to one, and what is the role of VPCs we can able to see. Now, in this video, we can see like how to create the AWS account. To create the AWS account, I will go to the browser and I will search for AWS free tier. Okay. Once we click on this AWS free tier, we can able to click here for the first link, and we can see here create a free tier account. We need to click on free tier account. See, this free tier account, it only asks for 2 rupees, okay, Indian rupees. So that too refundable. They will provide us $200 credit that is valid for about 6 months, okay. So 6 months we can easily use it, okay. If we can build multiple instance and we can play around with it, okay, for 6 months. So I will click on create a free tier account. So once after we click on free tier account, we can able to see this kind of page where we need to provide any kind of email, your valid email, okay. Now here you can click on verify email. Once after clicking on verify email, so we can see this kind of AWS code. I will come here and I will paste the code here and we can verify this account. So once after you verify your email, need to set the password. Okay, now we'll click on continue. So once you click on continue, you can able to see two kinds of plans, okay. One is choose free plan and another one is choose pay plan. We are going with free plan where we will get $200 as a credit for 2 rupees, okay, that too refundable, and then we can utilize for 6 months, okay. So I will choose free tier account. Here you need to provide some of the credentials. Once after filling the form, you need to click on this checkbox and then you need to click on agree and continue. You will land on this billing page where we will get the two options for proceeding the payment. So one is from UPI and another one is through credit or debit. I will choose UPI and I will proceed by clicking continue. Okay, it's already saying like 2 rupees refundable transaction. Here we will get this kind of verify your payment method, and when we click on this verify on payment method, we will get a QR code here. So we need to scan this QR code to make 2 rupees of payment. So once the payment is successful, you can able to land on this dashboard, okay, where you will see like your user credentials and your complete user details. And here if you click on this, we will find all the regions. Regions are basically like where the data center, our actual AWS data center has been located, okay. So for India, we have 2 locations where our AWS data center has been located. So one is Hyderabad and another one is Mumbai. We can select any of the regions and we can create our instance and we can run the application on top of it, okay. So each and every regions we can find it out here, okay. I will select as of now as in Mumbai only. Like once you select the Mumbai, you can able to see the Mumbai here. And if you want to see and if you want to explore all the services which AWS provides, right, we can able to click on this button here this is kind of a menu button. We can click on it and we can see like these all the services this AWS provide, like analytical, application integration, blockchain, money, cloud, financial management, compute, containers. We have a lot of services, right? Database services, we have storage services. Okay, in upcoming video we gonna see like how to create instance basically. Okay, either it might be like Windows and Linux. Okay, we gonna see how to create and how to connect with those instances. Okay, so for this instances we gonna click on this compute and EC2. This is the service. Basically we provide a lot of services. In that, first thing we gonna see is about EC2. Here we can able to see here launch instance, right? We can click on this launch instance and we can easily create the based on our hardware requirement and based on our configurations. We need to configure accordingly and we need to connect that instances. Like in the upcoming video we can see like how to launch our own instance and how we can connect those instances. Okay, so one is Linux and another one is Windows. Thank you. I believe you have no doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ping me on the comment section. For the link of free tier account, I will paste in the description. You guys can use it in order to create the free tier account. Thank you.